The numbers
The
are
numbers
on.
are moving.
Say take
Okay,
two, Mom.
this is take two.
Because my grandmother does not know how to record video.
So, we are out of ice this time, but that's okay. But we're going to do it twice, so it makes up for it.
It was freezing cold.
We're having
we-
a cause for the grandmother next week.
We accept Brian Martin's challenge
Again.
and we nominate Shelby and Josh Larkins,
Again.
Woo!
Cammie and Jason Barth,
Again.
Woo!
and Bernadette Harold.
Again.
Woo!
Okay.
Okay, here it goes, babe.
Are
Okay.
you sure the numbers are moving?
Yes.
Again.
Here we go.
Yike, babe.
Got it.
Yikes back.
Oh, it's still cold.
Hey, hey. Okay, I'm done, right?
Slow with that.
Yay!
Back, say it.
Hopefully it was recorded this
The
time.
ice
Hopefully
challenge.
it's recorded this time.
I hope it's recorded because I'm not recording it again.
That was awesome. Well, how about trying it yourself?